Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Teen Fired from Walmart Refuses to Return Her Vest.
On September 19, 2025, officers were dispatched to a Walmart in response to reports of a disturbance.
Walmart property, I told you.
Well, listen, y'all just found me for
Hold on.
I said I was going to check
You're going to get disorderly conduct if you keep this up.
Please stop touching me. Please stop touching me.
Give them the stuff. What are we doing? Give them the stuff. If you walk out of the store, you're getting arrested, and that's going to be that. Okay. Yes. You got... Okay. Come here. See, now you done screwed up.
Bro, stop talking to me. Stop touching me, bro.
Stop.
Bro, move. Move, bro. Bro, let me go. I swear to God. Bro, let me go. Bro, I swear to God. Bro, let me go. Bro, stop.
Baby girl,
Bro, I swear to God, let me go.
listen, girl.
Bro, I
They
swear
gonna
to
hurt
God.
you, baby.
Bro,
Just listen.
break my leg, break my arm, break anything. Oh, yeah, I swear to God. Y'all get a fucking case, bro.
Cool. That was fun, wasn't it? For no reason.
Bro, let me go. And you all touch me and I'm... Bro, let me go. Bro, let me go. I'm my dead brother soul, let me go. Bro, I'm my dead brother soul, let me go for a big issue and take these cups off. Bro, move. Bro, let me go.
Baby.
Bro, let me go. Bro, let me go. Let me go.
Come on.
You got to listen, baby girl.
Bro, let me go.
Are we really going to do this right now?
Bro, let me go. Bro, y'all get this cut. Let me go.
We gave you every opportunity to give the vest back and leave.
Bro, I was gonna go home, bro. Move. Bro.
Freeze, everyone. You can log one female in custody.
Move. Stop touching me. We're not booking her.
Stop.
Move. I'm
Give
finna
me
call my
the
mama.
phone
I'm finna
and
call
the
my
headphones.
mama. I'm finna call my mama.
For you.
No.
Because you done fucked up.
Bro, I don't care. I'm a and y'all just did all this.
Good.
That's what happens when you get arrested.
Get in.
I don't care.
Get in the car.
Give me my phone.
Get in the car.
Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me. Get in the car. And then y'all just did all the...
Get in the car.
Bro, I need to talk to my...
You're getting a ticket.
Okay? Bro, stop pulling on me. Oh! Bro, fuck am I gonna get in the car? Y'all got all this shit right here. Stop pushing.
Close the door.
Get in the car. Bro, what the fuck? Don't you see me in the car?
God damn.
This don't make no sense because of a vest? Because you won't give back the vest? This got to be the dumbest reason to get locked. This is stupid. People just think the world revolves around them and that they could just do whatever they want to do. Listen, Walmart, that's the second job I ever had, man. I was yeah, I had that job for like a year. That was my favorite job to this day. Well, I had that job from when I was like 18 to 19 or something like that. My favorite job that I ever had, man. Listen, I was a cashier. But there was, I worked around a lot of women or whatever. And so they needed people to do the carts and stuff like that outside. So I always used to be able to go outside and do the carts, listen to your music and everything like that. Man, I loved that job. And then at the time, my girlfriend worked there. My girlfriend at the time, she worked there as well, whatever, and it was cool, man. It was cool. It was smooth. I had a great time at that job. And then after that, You know, whatever. Walmart could be a chill job. I don't know. I never had no problems like that, but man. All of this over a vest is just stupid.
Stay out here, I'll go get her name. And it's probably gonna be theft since she stole their vest.
I told her, like, unfortunately, I'm after turning you. And then I actually stopped eating on the register. I actually stay off your phone. Like, you've heard me have these conversations, and I didn't feel like I needed to have a conversation with her.
That's too much work.
Because she was in the middle when I was talking to the two other cashiers. Huh? The tall one.
The tall one? And like Spider-Man?
I think so.
She's acting like Spider-Man out there.
So I asked for her vest. I'll give you the vest after no, she said, I'm only giving my vest over to Antoinette and Keith. I'm not giving it to you. Well, Coach Rob, I'm not giving it to him either. So then Rob got involved.
That's
He
what I
let her know
can't.
that he's gonna call the police.
Wait, you had her info?
Lock me up then.
No, give me my phone so I can call my parents.
We are gonna call your parents.
No, you're not. Give me my phone so I can
I'm
call
telling
my
you,
parents.
listen to me.
No, I'm not trying to hear none that y'all
I don't care what you're trying to hear, okay?
Okay, so stop talking
We are
to me.
trying to call your parents.
How you gonna call my parents? You don't even know my parent number.
That's why we rolled down the window, you see, so we can talk. If you want to talk.
I don't want to talk. Y'all just did all that for no reason.
Well, you have to call your mom or your dad, whichever one.
Y'all did all that for no reason. Y'all could have been did that.
Listen
Y'all
to me.
supposed talk
Listen to me.
without a parent
Listen to me.
or guardian.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Listen to me. No, roll dog.
It does matter.
Oh, you know the law?
I do, actually.
Okay, well, you don't. So that's the thing. We gave you every opportunity
No.
Man, roll it up, man. We ain't trying to hear her.
to leave. Every opportunity
I
to
was
leave.
going home. Don't you see? Is the Uber booked on there?
They
for 2
wanted,
minutes ago.
they needed the vest. That's
I
all
would
they
go give
needed.
it to the store manager, the head of the store. The head of the store. I literally said that 5 times. I was coming back tomorrow to talk to the lady. I said that.
Don't work like that.
And I said I was done talking. I'm not talking to y'all. I'm talking to y'all higher ups.
They didn't want to talk to you. They needed the vest back. That was it.
I said I was going to talk to their higher ups. It's nothing.
The store manager don't want to talk to you, okay? He don't care about you.
For me to alliterate with them, literally.
All they wanted was the vest.
Okay, and
We
I
told
said,
you.
okay, but they were going to get the best. If the lady
You're
didn't
yelling
give
at
my
me, you're
job
not
back
letting
to-
me talk.
Okay, because there's
Listen
nothing to
to
talk
me.
about. It's nothing to talk about. And then if you're giving me a ticket, you don't need to book me for a fucking ticket. You know how many tickets I done got?
Do you get to any for us?
But do you know all you got to do to write a ticket is to have my name, right?
And
He
your
told me
parents'
I was gonna
information.
He told me I
And
was
your
gonna-
parents' information.
Okay, you can get that through the job. Once you get my name, all you got to do is look it up. All you have to do is look it up to give me a ticket. You don't got to do all that. All I was doing was going home.
Well, you're under arrest for disorderly conduct. It is a ticket, but you're still under arrest. Hence the reason you're in handcuffs. I'm just letting you know. That's all.
All I'm letting you know is that you have to call my parent or guardian.
That's what
And
we're
then
trying to do.
You have to tell them that you use force.
That's
Because you were
why-
uncooperative,
Right.
exactly.
When I
Exactly.
was being cooperative, y'all wasn't listening, so why am I gonna keep talking?
Are you gonna tell us mom's name so we can call them? Like,
Are you gonna give me my phone so I can call her?
no, we're calling them
For what?
just to let them know. Like you just said. Like you just said, we're calling them to let them know you're under arrest. Okay, so you're gonna give us the information or
Are you
what?
gonna give me my phone?
No, you're under arrest. You don't get your phone.
Well, yeah. She was terminated, and then once they get the vest and the name badge from her, and she refused to do it, and they give it and say that she was going to give it to Keith, but I told her it doesn't work that way. So,
See? It don't work that way.
yeah, because then she stormed out of the room.
Because Rob told her that
Was she like yelling or?
It was quiet until we got to the back. So, and that's when in the back room she started telling me that it ain't my property, it's not Walmart's property, because this is from another Walmart. And
she's never worked at another Walmart. It's the only Walmart she worked at. I'm finna go finish writing up her termination before I leave.
Yeah, get that done.
yeah. Well, and she wasn't listening, and I said, this is the exact reason why you're being fired.
The girl was charged with theft and disorderly conduct. Drop your thoughts in the
You know what's the sad thing about this? As she gets older, we'll see her in more videos. Trust and believe.